Welcome friends to today's video. In today's video, we will know about health conditions in which you must avoid consuming turmeric at all cost. Turmeric is a healthy natural ingredient with the least number of side effects, which also makes it a great alternative to many medications. However, there are some rare cases too where the consumption of turmeric in excess or in combination with some particular medicines can have negative effects on your body. Many studies prove the health benefits of turmeric, and it is used not just to spice up food but also as medicine. Most of the properties of turmeric are a gift of a compound called curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent and antioxidant. Many take turmeric as a supplement to their medications to escape the side effects and complications of pharmaceuticals. But do pay attention, if consumed with specific drugs, turmeric can make a harmful combination and bring a lot of side effects too. The antithrombotic property of turmeric, which helps in reducing blood clots, can prove harmful when combined with blood-thinning drugs like aspirin and warfarin. Medications taken by diabetic patients to lower blood sugar levels must also be never combined with turmeric, as it can cause side effects like blurred vision, dizziness, anxiety, impaired cognitive function, and shakiness. Turmeric can also worsen allergic reactions like rashes and shortness in breathing. Besides, don't consume turmeric if you are taking doses of drugs which reduce the production of stomach acid. That's because turmeric functions against it, and its side effects can come in the form of nausea, stomachache, bloating, and even food pipe damage. So friends, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.